Have you ever missed the on-time service of your compressor amidst other critical priorities? Have you ever thought of getting actionable insights based on operational data from your compressor that will help improve energy efficiency? Have you ever thought of monitoring your compressor online anytime from anywhere in the world? Presenting Air Alert from ELGi, the Industry 4.0 ready compressor monitoring and the alert system powered by IoT. ELGi's Air Alert system enables improved uptime with predictive, maintenance and service alerts. Enables high energy efficiency and 24/7 remote monitoring of your air compressor from anywhere in the world, to enable you to act on time and avoid potential failures. Let's now see how Air Alert system works. The operational and performance data from your compressor is acquired by Air Alert from the compressor controller, transmitted in an encrypted form, and sent to secure and dedicated Air Alert servers in the cloud. Smart algorithms then work on the data sent to the cloud to enable intelligent prediction with actionable alerts, reports, and trends, which are returned securely to the operators as easy-to-read actionable dashboards. The alerts are also sent as text messages and emails to the operator's hand phone. This process involves 3 modules: data collection and storage, failure prediction and detection, and alerts and reports to enable improved uptime and utilization. In the data collection and storage module, the data is structured and analyzed to provide smart analysis that helps the users to plan their maintenance activities, and provide insights into operational data, enabling energy efficiency improvements with the compressor. The failure prediction module predicts if the compressor is likely to fail in the future. With the 3rd module, alerts and reports are translated into comprehensible formatted data and alerts that allow the user to take timely action. This data is then delivered as performance and operational data, trends, and charts. Air Alert diligently works towards improving uptime. It notifies to schedule service appointments based on alert and preferred time to ensure on-time replacement of parts and service of the compressor, leading to maximum compressor performance and minimum unplanned downtime. With the Intelligent Predictions feature, Air Alert predicts common failures related to compressor performance and operating parameters and alerts the user and the ELGi service team to improve uptime. ELGi's Air Alert improves energy efficiency on a large scale where the utilization is not optimal. With ELGi's Air Alert, users can track highly informative utilization trends that give insights into utilization percentages and actionable intelligence. This empowers the users to take corrective actions, such as operating pressure band optimization based on the utilization rate, replace an existing fixed speed unit with variable speed (VFD) unit or add a retrofit VFD, providing an energy efficient, lower size compressor in case of very low utilization rate. Leak detection based on an unexpected change to a higher utilization rate over a period of time. ELGi's Air Alert assures real-time management of your air compressor with critical alerts and machine data with live trend graphs of operating parameters online, and through summarized reports. ELGi's Air Alert is all you need to equip your compressor to be Industry 4.0 ready.